Stand out in this 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. Your search stops here with this ideal auto. Consider the value and endurance that this low-mileage vehicle offers. Fumble your keys no more with the convenience of keyless entry. Set it and forget it with the fuel-efficient cruise control. The luxury of an adjustable steering wheel adds driving comfort. Lock and unlock doors with the click of a button with power doors. But that's not all that you have to look forward to. Check out this list of great added features. Why wait? Call us to set up a test drive right away.